Welcome to Rving and Seeing with Joanne and Phil. Come join us as we explore the sights and sounds of Sauble Beach, located on the eastern shore of Lake Huron in Ontario, Canada. At over 11 kilometers long, this is the second longest public beach in Ontario.
I have camped in the Sauble area off and on for most of my life, and the town really hasn't changed that much. The bowling alley became a gift shop long ago, and the amusement park is gone now too. It was nice to see the beach parking lot is still open. Unfortunately, there is no more free parking anywhere along the entire beach and side streets. The newest attraction is the Ascent Aerial Park. At this point in my life, though, I think I'll watch from the ground.
Just north of town, you'll discover Sauble Falls, a major tourist attraction in the area. It's a gentle cascade of 10 feet, making it perfect for wading and rock diving into the pool below. There are paths along both sides of the river, making hiking an enjoyable pastime. One of the paths leads directly into Sauble Provincial Park.
Upstream of the falls and dam, there are canoes, kayaks, and paddle boats available for rent. It's a very peaceful and smooth paddle for everyone, including kids. Sauble River winds through the forest with cottages on one side and the Sauble Provincial Park on the other.
We enjoyed watching a mother black duck parading her ducklings along the beach. We hope you've enjoyed our tour of Sauble Beach. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see future videos. Thanks for watching.